yeah, I'm just gonna wing this one. Okay, so these are basically 2 chicken breasts, which are like cut into strips. So to this, I'm just gonna add some salt, paprika, in case you don't believe me. And then this spicy chisanyama blend, which is pretty much like finished. So I'll just finish it up, I guess. Then I'm going in with some Italian herbs. Garlic salt. You know I love my garlic salt. Lastly, black pepper. Okay, so now I'm just gonna mix that with my clean hands. Okay, now I just cracked 1 large egg and beaten it. So I'm just gonna add it in here. So I'm just gonna marinate this or let it chill in the fridge for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, and then yeah. Okay, now for the crumb. I'm just gonna go in with probably 3 of these. Let's do 4. Okay, looks good. And then I'm gonna go in with some salt, garlic salt, paprika again, herbs, okay, just a little bit, and then black pepper. Oh, in case you were wondering, I used cake wheat flour because this is the flour I have. In this channel, I try to make recipes with the things that I have. So now I've just added the black pepper, so I'm just gonna mix. Okay, so this meat was chilling in the fridge, minding its business, and then I decided to interrupt it to add a little bit of lemon juice, as well as some ketchup or tomato sauce. This is South Africa, tomato sauce. So there we go. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so I've just taken the chicken out of the fridge. There it is. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the strip, roll it in the flour, and pop it in the oil. I think I'm only going to show myself doing this once because this is hot oil and my face is kind of at stake. So I hope you'll understand. A small one in case the oil isn't warm enough. There we go. Okay. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna fry it for, but I guess I'll just like toss it around and see as time goes. So I will see you when I'm done. Ciao. So you know how when you get your first job and all you have is like your preliminary qualification, and that's it. It's your first time, never done this before, and you're still learning the ropes. This chicken represents that. Now, after some time, you know, a few months, few years go by, you gain what's called experience. You know, you learn how to do things more efficiently, and you just get better at the job. This chicken represents that. So, was this from the same batch of chicken? Yes. Same ingredients, everything came from the same bowl. It's just that this was the first few I fried and I realized that the oil is too hot. Then I turned it down to medium heat, which was like 3 out of 6. And this is what came out. So take this as a life lesson, guys. Some things, you know, you don't just get into it and you're perfect. You have to fail, and it takes time, you know. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Very soft, very like it's. I'm glad I added the tomato sauce because I'm getting, you know, that sweetness, nyana. What else can I taste? I'm getting a little bit of the garlic. The tomato sauce is definitely the dominating flavor, and it's really good. Like, I'm not mad. But obviously the other spices contributes to the flavor, because if it weren't for them, then it probably would have been bland. So, but to be honest, what I'm tasting is the sweet, sour, slightly acidic tomato. It's really nice, and they're tender. Oh yeah, how long did I fry for? 4 to 6 minutes. Yeah, that was all you needed. I just love how tender they are, and I like that the coating is still stuck on the meat. I think that has something to do with the egg being there. So if you are to try this, the only thing I'd say is do it on medium heat. That's it. And if you want it to be more hot or spicy, I don't know, add chili powder, but it's good nonetheless. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Bye.